This is a spare key for a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. This is customer's key, our key, and using Autel. We're connected to the internet, so we've just under Hyundai, automatic selection, read the VIN. So go with that. Yes, smart key. So we'll see how many keys are in and clear any faults. So there's one key in this. So one key. So escape, control unit, keyless system, mobilize remote control lining because we have the pin there. So we want to start key programming. Yes. Turn the ignition off. Open and close driver's door once. Okay. It's 6, 5, 4, 7, 9, 4. Program succeeded. Programming succeeded. I'd like to learn the next one. No. Number of keys, 2. So we're going to escape. Okay, so both keys are now on the roof. So there'll be no keys in here. Good. So we're going to take one out the roof. This one, my leg, so that works. That key, so that's that one. Now we're going to try this one. That starts, and done. Spare key on a Hyundai Tucson 2020, less than 4 minutes.